Hello my friends, David Hasselhoff from Baywatch here, making sure the waters are safe at all times, but in this case, when you do your exercise, make sure you're safe and healthy. If you're sore or have an injury, don't do it. Make sure you don't. And when you do your exercise, don't push yourself if you can't do it, because you'll hurt yourself. Okay? Make sure you're safe, just like down at the beach with Baywatch, because you know what? We'll be there to save you. Make sure you're there to save yourself. Hello my friends, welcome to AcePhysED. It's Mr. C here. Yes, I'm in one of my cosplay outfits. Looking forward to the next activity we've got ready for you. Today we're doing card fitness, which is an easy activity that you can do. You can have a set of cards, Uno cards, or you can make them up yourself. Make them out of paper. We'll show you what you've got to do right after these messages. Thanks very much for joining us again, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we've got our card fitness set up. We've got two ways we can do this. There's a couple of photos coming up. You can do it in two ways, which is basically the cards can be in a straight line and you start running from about 5-10 meters back, run up, pick up the card, do what you've got to do. Or the second option is in a circle, and you'll see the example that's going to be coming up. Hopefully it lines up. You can put the cards in a circle, stand in the middle and run around, maybe have some music going. When the music stops, you pick up the card and you have to remember the exercise. What I would suggest you do is have a list of exercises ready to go as well. Now, I have included some exercises at the end of this video. You can match them up, okay? I've matched them up to each card so you can actually do the whole thing if you like. It's up to you, or you can make up your own exercises. Cosmic yoga, you know how the gut goes. You can do that, or you can make up your own, maybe balances or whatever you need to do. You can do some catching, throwing, whatever you need to do. It doesn't matter. But make sure you can do it in the area that you've got. Thank you so much for all your involvement. We love making these videos for everyone. We all love dressing up. Andy Hair, you inspire me every day, mate. That's why I've got this costume on today. Big shout out to all the phys ed teachers in Victoria and Australia and worldwide. Do a big shout out to Andy Hair, Wayne Schultz, okay, Mr. McLennan, okay, in Singapore. Always call you Mr. It's always been fantastic. And RH Sports, thank you very much. Ashford Victoria for your support, and all you great PE teachers who are doing a wonderful job, and all you students who are doing a fantastic job and supporting us. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video at the end, and I hope that you can keep fit in these days and times. Thank you so much. This is Mr. C from AcePhysED, dressed up in cosplay, because I've got a few more photos to do. We look forward to seeing you soon, and make sure you stay fit and healthy. We love you at AcePhysED. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you soon.